Good morning, parents and families. This is Mrs. Cadena, and I want to welcome you to the first official week of school with full Zoom hours and more classwork assignments for students to do. I want to introduce this week to you so you can see what it will look like here on a Google Classroom. So here is our Google Classroom, which I know you're all familiar with by now. Here I'm in the Stream tab, so I tell students that this is for parents. So right now I have uploaded participation for week B, and it just shows you your student number and all the assignments that your student was able to complete for the week. But what I really want to show you today is classwork, under the classwork tab. So I'm going to go ahead and have you click the classwork tab, and you will see week 1, August 31st through September 4th. And the first assignment that you'll see, or first posting that you'll see under here says week 1 independent assignments in Zoom. If you click that, there will be a 3 document slide that will be very important for you here this coming week for school. The first slide that you'll see is titled Independent Work. This is what I want students to do after we Zoom from 8:30 to 11:30. So this is their independent work. I've broken it up into 3 sections, so reading, math, and other. So the first thing I want kids to do is read for 20 minutes on Epic, and they all know how to do this, so that's great. The second thing is math. Now last week we used MobyMax. So this week we're going to use Go Math. It's a little bit different, and so I went ahead and I created a video to show kids how to use this new application. So if they went ahead and clicked on the how-to video, it would take them to a YouTube video of me actually explaining to the kids how to get into the Go Math assignment. So if you watch this 3-minute video, you will see exactly how to get into this Go Math assignment, which will look like something like this for the kids. So Monday, it'll be 9 questions for them to answer using this Go Math curriculum. I'm going to go back to this slide now. The only 2 other things I want them to do on Monday is practice their letter names and sounds. So again, if anything that's hyperlinked, they can go ahead and click on. And again, it'll show them a video of the letter names and sounds. And the last thing that I wanted them to do is practice their counting. And again, that's another video. So this is the independent work, and it's broken up into each day of the week. The next thing that I want to show you, the second slide, is the Zoom meetings. So this is what I will be doing with students on Zoom from 8:30 until 11:30 with some breaks in between. So Monday, remember, is our short day. So I only see the kids for half an hour on Zoom, and then the rest of the day they have to work on these independent assignments. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to Zoom for a little bit longer from 8:30 until 11:30. And remember, I have office hours from 2 to 2:30. Actually, that's wrong. That should say 2:30. Let me change it right now. 2:30 to 3. And I will be on that Zoom link for parents or students to ask me questions and there in the afternoon. So I'll have my office hours there on Zoom. The last thing that I want to show you is really important, and that's what students will need to bring to our Zoom meetings this week. So I want them to bring a whiteboard marker. We're going to start math, so I want them to bring their Chapter 1 Go Math curriculum. It was in that red backpack that we gave out at conference. I want them to bring their notebook for our journal in the morning, and then this daily math mat. It's inside a protective sleeve, or it might be laminated. It was inside that yellow or purple folder that I gave to students on the conference week. So that's what students will need for next week. Thank you so much, moms and dads, for helping make distance learning successful this year. And please reach out to me with any questions this upcoming week or last week or anything. Thank you.